frozen sky so wide. A trembling roar begins its glide.